Telegram has 1 billion active users monthly, with 20% of them actively engaging with games, making it the most sought-after platform for blockchain-based games. This makes investing in a Web3 Telegram minigame a profitable venture. If you are eager to build your own minigame in the Telegram universe, or are just curious, this video is for you. We'll break down the process of developing a minigame for you and help you with the best ways to monetize them. So, stay tuned. Let's look at the steps to build a robust Telegram minigame. Step number 1 is conducting market research. It all begins with research and analysis. To know the latest trends in Web3 games and what Telegram users like, you have to perform detailed market research. Identify the most loved features of the top games on Telegram and include them in your project. Step number 2 is working on the game's design. While designing the game, you have to make sure that it is user-centric and makes the most of Telegram's capabilities. As Telegram is a community-driven platform, users will like your game better if it promotes social interaction. Also, focus on making the crypto game compatible with all devices for a seamless user experience. Step 3 is building the game. Develop the game based on the design and features you decided on in the previous phase. At this stage, you can add gameplay mechanics, interactive elements, and blockchain functionalities to the game using SDKs like ThirdWeb. You can use HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript to build a robust game. For easy interaction within the chat interface, integrate Telegram's web app library. Step 4 is testing the game. As the goal is to provide the best UX, you have to test the game thoroughly on different devices and operating systems. Fix all the bugs and ensure that the game performs well and engages users. Step 5 is integrating the game with Telegram. Once your game app is ready, you have to use Telegram's APIs and features to integrate the game with the platform. Ensure that the game complies with the guidelines set by Telegram, including the chat functions and processes for user authentication. Step 6 is ongoing support and maintenance. You have to keep fine-tuning your app even after you launch it and resolve issues as and when they appear. Now that you know how to build your Web3 Telegram minigame, let's understand how to monetize it. The first way is in-app purchases that enable players to buy in-game assets or virtual items for improved gameplay. The famous game, Catizen, has earned more than $16 million in revenue and has a base of 500,000 paying customers through the paid purchase module of Game Props. Another way of building a steady income stream is through advertising. Displaying ads to non-paying players is a common trend. With a combination of advertising and in-app purchases, you have a steady income stream. Overall, investing in a Telegram mini game app is quite lucrative. Get inspired by crypto mini game apps like Hamster Kombat, which have already amassed more than 300 million players in 2024. The other prominent names are Major, Notcoin, X-Empire, Rocky Rabbit, and TapSwap. If you require expert help in building a Web3 Telegram minigame, reach out to us, and we at IdeaUsher will assist you with it. From enterprise software to next-gen blockchain applications, our team of 250+ experts focuses on delivering scalable solutions to help businesses stay ahead. Our work is trusted by 500+ leading global brands, including Gold's Gym, Mogo, EQL, and BuzzTime. Click on the link below to reach out to us, and let's discuss your requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon in the next video.